Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase to Claude AI. This is very simple. In Claude AI, I'm going to the plus icon, and here I'm going to the connectors section. In connector section, I have this option, but I'm gonna click on add connector. Here in add connector, I'm gonna search for Supabase. I have the Supabase result, and here we can see that we have the option to connect our Supabase to Claude AI. I just need to click on connect, and we'll redirect to the Supabase dashboard. And as you can see, we have the authorized API access. I need to click on authorize Claude. Obviously, I have these options to select the organization. Then we are going to click on authorize Claude. And when this is done, I have the connection successful to Claude AI with Supabase. And that's it.